Imagine quitting your social media entrepreneurship or social media posting, not because you had no talent, not because you are not interested, but because you are getting very few views, because you're seeing other people are getting massive followers and massive subscribers. Is that really? And imagine the people who kept on posting, they got 10, 20, 50 later, their life changed. Welcome to this mind-blowing video. I'm going to be answering this statement. So I don't know whether it is a statement or it is a question. This friend of mine from TikTok, let me see, yeah, is from TikTok, asked me this question. And I really thank you because it has brought me this video idea. I cannot wait anymore. I cannot wait really. I had to do it immediately. We are going to be looking at how I kept on making money on social media, irrespective of my audience being a bit small, irrespective of me getting average views. I get average views. The video can go to 1K, but that is not by mistake, but gradually. But on the first day, second day, even sometimes the whole month, if I don't get time to go back and optimize, you find I'm at 50, at 100. So this guy, he deserves all. Jaws, you deserve the answer. But this answer is going to be helping other people. Yes, consistency is one of the medicine that I have. In fact, if you want to be a successful social media entrepreneur, you should get consistency to be your second name. But now, how do you do it? I'm giving you 5 powerful secrets that I'm using, and I'm giving them to you today. They are open secrets. You might look at them as if they are not important, but they are. But before, I want to put this disclaimer across. This video is for educational purposes, like the way you've seen him asking. So I'm bringing, by the way, he's not the only one. My workmate today walked to me and asked me, please, first subscribed. After subscribed, he asked me, but Christine, do you get money? Then, and I get overwhelmed, even I get excited when someone asks me that. I opened my dashboard, I showed him, and he was like, how do you make? Okay, tell me this and this. I gave him some bit of, but you know, when you're introducing. So this is educational purposes, purely. You don't have a guarantee that if you start, you're going to make money. What you need to do, go and research. If you find it is working for you, it will work for you. If you want it, it's like any other project, but this one is passive. Please, before we dive into our top secrets and open ones, allow me give kisses to my top engagers. Please come here, you know yourselves. I love you so much. My top engagers on all social media platforms, especially Facebook and YouTube. I love you so much. Let's dive in. The open secret number 1 is stop worshipping views. If you stop worshipping views, you're going to reach on the gold mine. Why? The first thing you must understand is that low views does not mean low income. Low views does not mean low value. No way. Some of the biggest creators today have posted, by the way, videos which are not getting attention at all, and they continue posting. Likewise, they posted those videos. If you go to ask them at the beginning, in the first year, second year, third year, fifth year, they were posting, but they were not getting, but they didn't give up. But they continued learning. Like the way I continued learning, I improved. You can even see I improved my thumbnail. You can go and check on my captions. They are so beautiful. They are so optimized. I improved on hooks, editing, and many more to come. Because by the way, I feel my space is small. I'm soon getting a very big space, and the studio will have a whole of its own. So get ready for what is coming That means I've been learning, I'm now improving and increasing one by day. Instead of you crying, guys, there, please, over numbers, over views, ask yourself, did I improve today? This is what I always ask. And I always watch myself. Because one video can suddenly change everything that you think about. The second one is treat social media like a real job. You know the problem with you people? Most of you don't, you hear that there is money, but you've never believed there is money. The moment you believe that this job I'm going for is giving me this amount of money, if I don't do this, I'll not get amount of this money, then you have to attend the class, you have to attend the job every time, your duty. Same applies to social media. The moment you really treat it like a job, if you want to earn online, you have to treat content creation like a hobby. Yes. No way. You should stop it, because most of you like treating it like a hobby. This one, it is passive income, and wherever you're getting passive income, hobby you only get, you don't get motivated by the way. You want to do when you want or when something has pushed you. That is a hobby. But when it is your job, it is your business, you know, it is a must. So that is the second open one. But even if you're tired after work, do you see when I'm doing this video, I was from work. All my videos, by the way, I do work. All my videos, I make them in time when I've finished work or when I'm resting, I'm off. I do videos. Even when my engagement is low, even when my views are low, even when nobody encourages me, you guys, I will come, because I know 1, 2, 5, I'll get money. Consistent is what trains algorithm. Trust your count. It's not about your numbers. The way you're active, the more you're active, and the more you come across, you come again and again, it makes you start getting opportunities from algorithm and from brands. Then you should learn the power of scheduling content. This is my one secret many successful creators do is that, and I really love it. Sometimes I find myself content is drawing me. Posting is too much for me because I've already posted for 1 week, but still the content is coming. So what I do, I reschedule, especially if it is viral content. I remove the other and then I reschedule the viral content. So create content when you have energy, then schedule. Don't wait. No, you can reschedule for the entire week, you can schedule for the entire month. This keeps your page active, and even on stressful days when you're not okay, it will be there. Yes, a consistent account grows more faster in terms of earning and followers than platforms which are just there. They have more followers, but they are not consistent. Remember, consistent beats motivation every time. Then we go to create content that people always need. This keeps me moving. If you want steady growth, focus on content that people want. Like my content, most people don't like it because they are not interested in growth. But what I do, I bring in something that will make people continue coming. But remember, this content I give you, on the other hand, is marketable. So you have to look for money. Only the lazy ones are the ones who feel, again, they feel like you're going to tell them, go and pluck money on a tree. No, it's not like that. So this content is marketable, is needed, making money, lifestyle, food, relationship, those ones are real. So these niches keep bringing viewers. People keep searching and coming. Then protect your mindset, you guys, is another secret. The biggest battle in social media is mental. Yes. Some people quit after comparing themselves with other creators. You know, you have that system of copying, seeing that one is doing this, and you have that problem. You're like, now, if it was you in my shoes, you might have already thrown the towel of posting money, make money. No. If it is your calling, please remain that. To cross this, one day you'll thank me later, you guys. Don't give up. Keep posting and grab these secrets I've told you, but be consistent, keep improving,